First of all, thank you so much for both of you, Reshmi and Ashwini, because you say this is Sunday today and you had a choice to be somewhere else, but you chose to attend today's session. And it really, really speaks volume about you. And I really, really appreciate that. Okay, so what you have to do is take your hands like this, take your hands like this and pat your back. Pat your back and speak after me. I am amazing.
I am amazing.
I am awesome.
I am
I
awesome.
am awesome.
मेरा तो जवाब नहीं
मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
या मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
मेरा तो जवाब
मेरा तो जवाब नहीं.
Wonderful, wonderful, very nice. So now what you have to do is, because today's topic is money. I hope you all love money, isn't it? We all love
Yes,
money.
ma'am.
I love money. You people love money. We all love money, isn't it? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to the WhatsApp group. Okay, and WhatsApp group, let me open the group. Let me open the chat. Let me open the group, and what you have to do is you have to type there. Okay, let me open the group first. You have to type there, ready to build my relationship with money. Ready to build my relationship with money. Go to the WhatsApp group and type there. Ready to build my relationship with money. Yeah, I'm also typing. Ready to build my relationship with money. Very nice. Yeah, thank you, Reshmi. Thank you, Ashwini. Okay, so Funny has also joined. Arshida has also joined. Wonderful, wonderful. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So what you have to do, Funny and Arshida, go to the WhatsApp group and type there, ready to build my relationship with money. You must have seen in the group. I have opened the chat and you have to type there, ready to build my relationship with money, because today we are going to talk about money and everybody loves money, isn't it? So go to the group and type there. Then I'll play one music and you already know what we have to do. So we have to dance for complete 30 seconds. For complete 30 seconds, I'll be playing the music and you will have to dance. Are you guys ready? Show me your thumbs up. Are you guys ready to dance? Very nice, very nice. So let me play one beautiful music. Yes. Are you guys getting the sound? Is the sound coming? Okay, very nice. Yes, so come on everyone. Yes, come on everyone. 30 seconds. Show me your energy everyone. Yes, come on Reshmi. Yes, come on. Yes, Funny, come on here. Arshida, Ashwini. Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So give yourself a big, big, big round of applause. Everyone, give yourself a big, big round of applause. Everyone, superb, superb, superb. So you already know, why do we start the session with a lot of energy? So who is going to tell me? Why do we start the session with a lot of energy? Whenever we have a session, so we always start with beautiful high note of dance. So why do we do that?
Where energy goes, flows, our positiveness is also whatever we want to do, achieve easily, ma'am.
Yes, very nice, very good answer. What about you, Reshmi? So if we show energy, whatever we want to achieve, it would be very easy for us to achieve, isn't it? So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
funny saying. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, I also agree with her. Our positive energy help us to achieve our goals.
Yes, very nice. Superb, superb. So that's why we start with the energy. You know,
With
today is Sunday. You had a choice to be somewhere else. You could be like with the family and somewhere else. You could be doing something else with the family in the kitchen. And you must have some, sometimes we have some fight with the in-laws, with the husband, with the kids, and they don't understand us. Sometimes we feel like, and we feel low. Our energy is also very low. But if we play that music, because that I always say, our physiology changes our psychology. Sometimes it happens, we feel sad, we don't feel very good, and then we dance and we play music, and it changes our psychology. We start feeling better. If we feel better, we do better. If we do better, we get better results in our life. That is the reason. Because there are two emotions, very, very important. The first emotion is feel good, and second emotion is gratitude. I always say in all my sessions. So there are these two things. If you really, really want to achieve something in your life, whatever it is, it could be your health, it could be wealth, it could be career, it could be your relationship, it could be your emotions, whatever you want to achieve in your life. So you have to show these two emotions. You have to start feeling good and gratitude, right? And the second thing, why do we start with energy? Because massive energy leads to massive success. Money loves energy. Success loves energy. Money goes to the person with highest energy. Success goes to the person with highest energy. So if you really want to achieve something, you will have to show some energy. That is also one of the reasons, right? And those who are sitting like this, yes, Ashwini, Arshida with cameras are off. What you people are doing behind the camera? I'm coming
Good
to you.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I am in my clinic with my patient. I don't want to
Okay,
miss your
okay.
paper. That's why I am attending it.
Okay, no issues. I'm just joking. Send me the ticket. I'm coming to you. I'll be coming to you and I'll be switching on your camera.
Yes,
And ticket you
ma'am.
will have to pay. Send me the ticket fast. I'm coming to you, Arshida, Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because money is also sitting like this and watching at you. Watching at you because you people are not showing energy, Arshida, Ashwini. So money is also sitting like this and money is also saying, when Ashwini will open the camera, na, then I'll go to Ashwini. When Arshida will open the camera, then I'll go to Arshida. So now I'm going to Reshmi. Money is going to Reshmi. Yeah, Arshida, Ashwini, money is going to Funny. Money is going to me because I showed a lot of energy. Money goes to the people with highest energy. So you will have to show some energy. Are you guys getting it? Are you guys
Yes,
getting it?
ma'am.
You know, guys, the other day I was listening to a podcast. And Sachin Tendulkar. I hope you all know Sachin Tendulkar, right? So he was telling knowledge doesn't have its own power. Knowledge doesn't have its own power. Talent doesn't have its own power. Energy has the power. Action has the power. You will have to take small actions. You will have to put some energy if you want to achieve something in your life. Because I told you there are two types of people. Like Sachin Tendulkar, very visionary. They know each and everything from the very beginning, from the very childhood. When he was young, he knew each and everything that I want to become the cricketer. I love playing like cricket. Everything he knew from his very childhood, right? And the person like me, like Poonam Taneja, if somebody asks me in my childhood, in my school days, in my college days, like what is your goal, what is your vision, what is your mission? So I was like, Tare Zameen Par. Vision, what is vision? Mission, what is mission? Goal, what is goal? What is that? And I used to say, यार इतने भारी भारी word मत बोला करो. I don't understand all those things.
Yes.
Right? So energy matters energy matters the most if you really want to do something. So today's topic is very nice. So money. So how many of you love money? How many of you love money? Yes, very nice. Rashmi loves money. Funny loves money. Poonam loves money. Write in the chat, ILM. I love money. I love money. Write in the chat, I love money. Yes, very nice. Please write in the chat, I love money. ILM. ILM. Because today I'm going to give you some pointers, some principles. Although I have already started sharing in the WhatsApp group as well. So in coming 7 days, I'll be daily posting one video on 7 principles. So the same principles I'm going to give you today, but you will have to show some energy, right? So what you have to do, if you want to go to your balcony, you can go to your balcony. If you want to go to your rooftop, you can go to your rooftop. If you want to climb the mountain, you can climb the mountain. So what you have to do, open your arms and speak after me. I crazily, badly, madly, insanely love money. I crazily, badly, madly, insanely love money. I crazily,
I
badly,
crazily,
madly,
badly,
insanely love money.
insanely love money.
I crazily,
I
badly,
crazily,
madly,
badly,
insanely love money.
insanely love
I
money.
love money.
Because guys, if you don't love money, yeah, you must be thinking, how can somebody love money? See, guys, if you don't love money, believe me, money will not come to you. Money will not come to you. I also used to have a lot many limiting beliefs. Like, how can somebody love money? I also used to think like that. How can somebody love money? Only greedy people can love money. How can I love money? I also used to have so many, people have 72 money related limiting beliefs. I can give you the whole list. People have 72 money related beliefs, limiting beliefs. They don't help them to grow. They don't let them to grow because they have those beliefs like money doesn't stay with me. That is a limiting belief. A woman cannot earn money. That is a limiting belief. Money doesn't grow on the trees. You must have heard sometimes. Your parents must have told you all these things. You must have heard saying these things from your parents. The money is very difficult to earn. My parents also used to say the same thing. And I have seen my parents how much struggle they people did in their life. It was very difficult because that was their limiting belief. That was their limiting belief that it is very hard to earn. And for them, it was very hard to earn. And they had to do a lot of struggle, lot of struggle in their life. But guys, earning money is not that much difficult. It's very easy. That is only your limiting belief. So whatever limiting belief you have, okay, so today I want you to write down all your limiting belief, not now, but later on. Later on. Okay, so first let me complete. So I'll be giving you one homework. You can do it at home. Right? But if you don't love money, money will not stay with you. So let's say you have a friend of yours. Okay, just so you have a friend of yours, right? And when that friend is with you, you are speaking very, very positive about that friend. Yeah, I love you. You are so nice. You are so beautiful. You are so kind. You are always with me. You are so kind. You are so empathetic. You are so compassionate. You always speak positive about your friend. But when your friend is not with you start speaking negative. ये तो पता है ऐसी है, ये तो पता है वैसी है. टू अदर फ्रेंड्स, देखा ये तो ऐसे ही करती है, ये तो वैसे ही करती है. Does that friend, will that friend will live with you? Will that friend will stay with you? No, she will not stay with you. She will never ever stay with you. Why? Because you don't love your friend, because you don't honor your friend. She will feel your energy. She will feel, because everything depends on energy only. Before you reach somewhere, your energy reaches. So similarly with money. Similarly with money. Money doesn't have its own energy. So you attach your energy to it. If you speak negative about money, money will not stay with you. If money comes to your life, you always say, aha, aha, aha. When money goes, you always say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Doesn't it happen? Doesn't it happen with you? We always do the same thing. When it comes, so we feel very happy. And when it goes, we stay very sad. We become very sad, isn't it? So it happens with us. So if check your energy, check on yourself. So what kind of statements you are speaking about money? So stop speaking negative about money. Whatever comes to your mind, whatever you are speaking, even this much also you don't have to speak. This is very expensive. Again, this is a very negative statement. Expensive. There is nothing called expensive. So this is our limiting beliefs. If we are not able to purchase that particular thing, it doesn't mean that that is expensive. This is we that we are not able to buy that thing. Okay, so stop speaking negative about money. So whatever limiting beliefs you have, I don't have money, I can't earn money, money doesn't stay with me. Those people who earn money, they are like greedy people. All rich people are greedy people. I used to think in that way as well. All the rich people, they must be doing something wrong. That's why they have a lot of money. Money doesn't stay with poor people. Money goes to only rich people. So I used to have so many limiting beliefs. So what did I do? What did I do? I wrote all the limiting beliefs, whatever I had. Okay, so on the left hand side, I wrote all the negative beliefs related to money. And on right hand side, I turned each and every statement which was negative, changed into positive statement. If left hand side I'm writing money doesn't stay with me, money doesn't come to me. So on right hand side I wrote money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me from all the directions. Money comes to me from all the expected and unexpected ways. You know, there was a time when I started earning money before my marriage, when I got my first salary. You know what was my first salary? 5,400 rupees. I'm talking about 22 years back, 22 years back, right? So what was my first salary? 5,400 rupees. At that time, when I got my first job, I was so happy, so happy, so happy, right? And after that, I started earning 10,000 rupees. That was my second salary. And after that, I started earning 18,000 rupees. That was my third salary. Whenever I used to get, I was so happy, so happy. But what was my limiting belief that time? That I can earn only this amount of money. I cannot earn like a lot of money. That was my limiting belief. Because whatever you believe, you achieve. Whatever you think about, you bring about. You can earn only that much amount of money that you can think of, that you can manage. जितना आप मैनेज कर सकते हो उतना ही आप कमा सकते हो. If you cannot think beyond, you cannot earn beyond. The God, the universe will give you that much only, the amount you can think of, the amount you can manage. If you cannot think beyond, you cannot earn beyond. You cannot manage beyond. That is the thing, and that is the reality. So why rich people are becoming rich and poor people are becoming poor? That is the reason. Because they can think beyond. They think that they can manage. They can manage. They can manage 5 houses. They can manage 5 villas. They can manage this much of property. They can manage this type of amount. Millionaires, billionaires. They think that they can manage easily and effortlessly. Right? So that's why they have that much. And poor people, they cannot think much. They cannot think. They don't have that capacity. So that's why they earn very less amount. So I also had that belief that I cannot go beyond. So I gave this responsibility to my husband when I got married. So I gave this responsibility to my husband. You do na, you earn money na. You are more capable. You are more intelligent than me. You are super duper awesome. Your communication is very good. Your English is very good. So I gave this responsibility to my husband. So how many of you have given this responsibility to maybe your parents? Write me in the chat box. Write me in the chat box. If you have also given the responsibility, maybe to your parents, maybe to your husband, maybe to your in-laws, and those who have grown-up kids, married, so they must have given the responsibility to the kids. What I have to do to earn money? You earn money, na? My son will earn money. My daughter is earning a very good amount. So what I have to do with earning money? So you do, na? You are more intelligent. You are more capable. Your communication is good. Your English is good. Limiting belief. So if you have given the responsibility, so that means you have that hope that they will be doing something for you. So please write down this word. So I'm giving you one complete cycle. So how does it happen? How does it happen? So please write down this word hope. If you also hope somebody else to do something for you, if you also hope that somebody else should do something for you, so please write down this word hope. H-O-P-E, hope, in your notebook. Write down the word hope in your notebook. And after that, what happens? Write
Ma'am,
down one arrow. Yes, yeah, Reshmi?
I don't want that anybody, my husband or my son, earn money for me. I am capable. I have enough, and God gift me enough talent and everything. I can make. I can make my for my own. I
Wow,
don't
very nice.
depend on
Superb.
others. I never
Superb.
think so. But I want to, actually, I never think about money. I love my work. Whatever work, when I was a teacher in a school, I love to do my work. When I now I am, I love my business, just like my second child, and
Wow, very nice.
really
Superb.
make new different kinds of chocolates. I really feel good, but I never think about money. That's all. But I don't like to depend on others for any reason, for money, or any kind of reason, any kind of dependency. I don't like. I want to do everything for my own.
Very nice. But you have to be happy, Reshmi. Whatever you are doing, you have to
Actually,
be
today,
happy.
actually
Whether you are
today I
earning your
am.
own money, you have to be happy. Whether your husband is earning money, you have to be happy.
Yeah.
Because there should
Today
be
I am
flow.
too
You should
much.
not be stuck. You should not feel sad, whatever you are doing. So money is coming now because I told you that is the affirmation. Money is coming to me easily and effortlessly. Money is coming to me from all the directions. Money is coming to me from all the expected and unexpected ways. So earlier I had this belief that I'll be making my own money. I'll be making my own money. I'll be making my own money. So that's why I was stuck. Because God also says if you want to earn your own money, if you want to make your own money, right? So if you want to make your own money, so he will be giving me that. We have to wait that when we will start earning money, because we have already said, we have already placed this order to this universe, to the God, that I will be making my own money. So if you don't make your own money, then so you have to keep your all the fronts open. Okay, so my money is my money. So earlier I was like, his money is his money, my money is my money. Earlier me, I was like, his money is his money, my money is my money. But now, new me. What is new me? His money, my money is my money, his money is my money. Are you guys getting it? What I want to say? My money is my money, his money is also my money. My parents' money is also my money. Whenever they give me, Earlier I used to, no, मैं नहीं लूंगी. That means I'm like not allowing myself to come money towards me. So that we don't have to do. Whenever somebody is giving, that is your money. Money is coming to you. Money is flowing towards you, but you are stopping. You are stopping. No, it should not come. It should not come. It should not come. My money is my money. His money is his money. It's not like that. On one side, we are speaking this affirmation, money flows to me from all the directions. But when money is coming to us, we are saying, no, ये तो मैं नहीं लेने वाली. ये तो तुम्हारा है. Okay, so you should not feel stuck. There should be like flow in your life with ease. And stay happy. That is the first thing that I told you. 2 emotions. Happy and gratitude. Happy and gratitude. Clear? Clear? Okay. So please write it down. After hope, put one arrow and write down. Restlessness. Restlessness. So when we hope somebody else to do something for us, so what do? What do? We start becoming restless. We start becoming restless. Like you do. You have to do. You are responsible for earning money. You are intelligent. You are this. You are that. Because earlier, what I used to think that women are nurturers and men are providers. Men are providers and women are nurturers. Our duty is to raise the children. We have to nurture the house. We have to nurture the kids at home. That is our job. But it's not like that. That men are providers and women are nurturers. No. When I was thinking that you have to do, you know what my relatives used to say me. They used to say me, Poonam, what you have done to your life. Whatever you are doing, others are also doing the same thing. So then what is the difference between that you are MSc B.Ed, you are highly qualified, what you have done to your life? So after my marriage, then first child, then second child, for complete 15 years, I was staying at home. I was stay-at-home parent. I didn't do anything. When this corona happened, when this corona came about, then I got this opportunity to again do something in my life. Then I took this charge that I am responsible for my actions, my emotions, my outcomes. I am taking the 100% responsibility of each and everything.
No, my idea or my thinking was completely different. When after my son's birth, I started. I admitted in for B.Lib. Then I completed M.Lib and teachers training. Then I joined in a school. First, I joined in Indian Museum. Then I joined in a school, because I always think that I have responsibility to to nurture my family, and side by side, I am a completely different person. I have something to achieve in my life.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah,
very nice.
I never think, and it is the clash point with my in-laws.
Yeah, so we have to do it.
Because
if we have that capability, if you have that capacity, if you have something in you, so
I
you don't
always
have to
think
waste it.
everyone should have their own life.
Yeah, definitely.
After that, they do they have to take others' responsibility. But first of all, I am a separate person.
Yes, right.
I have to support. I have to do something for myself. Then I can do for others. This is my this is completely my thinking from the beginning, and I do according to this, and that's why I have to face lots of challenges, lots of difficulties. But I think difficulties are good. It make us strong.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
when we face any difficulties, we God help us in other ways, but
Yes,
we
very
have to
nice.
take challenges. I always think
Yes.
so. We have to
Good
take
problems to
challenges.
happen. This is
Yes.
called good problems to happen. Okay, so
Yes.
these are also the problems, like when we get married, and after that, like first child, second child, then we have to take care of house chores and these kind of things. These are also the problems, like small, small, little, but yeah, good problems. And there are another set of problems. Okay, so this month I have earned 1 lakh rupees. So how can I earn 2 lakh rupees? How when you start making 2 lakh rupees
This
per
is
month, then
the,
how I can earn 3 lakh rupees per month? That is good problem to happen. Okay, so one
but
way you are
this is
thinking it
lack
that
of,
way, and yeah, now these are new problems. This is which is
but
good
this
problem to
is the
happen.
lack of mine. I never think about money. I
Hmm.
always think to do something, and I always prove that I am a separate person. I can do these things, but I never think about money. So
Hmm.
when you send the message about this class, I think yes, I have to attend this class because I have no concept, because I always grateful for what I have.
Yes,
That's why I
beautiful.
never think about to increase money. But
Yeah,
my son,
Reshmi, I'm coming to you. I'm coming
um,
to you because it's already 9:38.
okay,
We
okay,
have to
okay,
complete the session as well. I haven't
okay, okay,
started yet. There are 7 principles that we need to talk about.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
So I'll have to go a little faster.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So where I was, yeah. So Reshmi said it very beautifully that if we have, I also believe the same. If we have that talent, so we should not waste it. If we have that capability, if we have that capacity to earn money, so why we will not be doing it? We have to do it because we have come in this on this planet earth with a gift. So we have to share it with others as well. If you have that capability to do something in your life to create the wealth, why we are not going to do that? If you have the wealth, if you have enough wealth, if you have enough abundance, so you can do it for others now. Why don't you share it with others? So if you know something, you have to share it with others, right? Okay. So I was telling hope, after hope, like if we give the responsibility to others, if we have that hope, others should do something to us. So we start getting restless. So after hope comes restless. And after restless, it comes hopelessness. How it comes hopelessness? So please write it down: hope, then restless, then hopelessness. So when I give the responsibility to others that you have to do it, I became restless. Okay, so after some time, I started getting irritated. I'm not able to do it. I'm not earning money. I can't do it. I'm not good enough. So I start speaking negative statements to my own self. So what I start doing, I start blaming others. Like, I am useless. I am useless. I am useless. You are also useless. You are also useless. You are also hopeless. So we start doing that. So when we start doing, when we start blaming others, and when we start blaming ourselves as well, so what do? We start becoming angry. So the next step is anger. We start becoming angry. So when we start becoming angry, then what happens? Now I started becoming angry. Okay, so hope, then restlessness, then hopelessness. The next step is anger. So I start becoming angry because of him, because of her, because of them. He did this to me, she did this to me, right? So that is called anger. After anger, when I start becoming angry and when we start blaming others, complaining others, criticizing others, that this is because of him, this is because of, then what happens? I want to make my life better, but it starts becoming bitter. So the next step, bitterness. I wanted to make my life better, but it started becoming bitter. And after that, then I start doing something, then I start taking decision. No, I have to do something, I have to do something, I have to do something. Because my relatives, my parents used to say this to me: Poonam, what is the difference between you and others? You are highly qualified, you are MSc B.Ed, what you have done to your life? So then I started taking decision, then I started taking responsibility. No, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have that capability. Why I am wasting my life? I have come up with some gift and I have to share it with others. I have that capabilities. So then I started taking decisions. Then I started working on myself, working on my English, working upon my communication, working on my like so many skills that I learned. Then I came into this coaching industry, right? So that is the cycle. And how many of you feel like this is powerful? And you all must have gone through this cycle. Hope, then restlessness, then hopelessness, then anger, then bitterness, then decision. Then we start taking decision, right? Now I'm going to give you some principles. Some principles when we start taking decisions, right? So now I'll be giving you some money mindset principles. So the first principle is law of attraction. You must have seen I have started posting some reels also, like I'll be posting 7 reels. So what is the first principle? The first principle, please write it down, law of attraction. Focus creates reality. Wherever your focus goes, wherever your attention goes, energy flows and that thing grows. So I gave this example earlier as well in one of my sessions. So take one blank paper and put one point in the center, Okay, so put one dot in the center on the blank paper and look at this. So you have to look at this as if this is a problem. This is a problem, okay? And you have to start making it big. This is the problem. So what are you doing? You are focusing on problem and your problems are becoming big. Does it happen or not? Because law of attraction is working. If you focus on problems, your problems will increase. But if you focus on possibilities, you will start getting solutions. Because when your vision becomes clear, when your visions become clear, your obstacles disappear. Was it the bulb on? Please write down BO in the chat box. When your vision becomes clear, your obstacle disappear. When you start evolving, your problems start dissolving. Are you guys getting it? Those who are with, with black dabbas. Okay, so that is the first point, law of attraction. Focus creates reality. Wherever your focus goes, energy flows and that thing grows. And now the second point. The second point is the second principle of money mindset. That is act of ungratefulness. Act of ungratefulness. What does it mean? That means we people are ungrateful. We people are ungrateful. We are not grateful for what we have. If you are not grateful for what you have, what is the guarantee that you will be grateful when you will be given more? What's the guarantee? So let's say you want to have vanilla ice cream, right? You want to have vanilla ice cream and God gives you strawberry and you throw it. What's the guarantee when God will give you vanilla ice cream, you will be able to manage it? You are going to value it. If you throw the strawberry ice cream, you are not going to get the vanilla ice cream. Because if you are not grateful for what you have, you will not be given more. If you are not grateful for whatever health you have, you will not be getting good health. If you are not grateful for whatever relationships you have, you will not be getting beautiful relationships. If you are not grateful for whatever health, whatever job, whatever money you have, what's the guarantee that if the universe gives you more, you will be able to manage it? You will be valuing it. So what you have to do? So you have to start valuing. So you have to be grateful for what you already have. You have to be grateful for the money you have. You have to be grateful for the relationship you have. You have to be grateful for emotions you have. You have to be grateful for the career, job, wealth you have. So that is the second point, act of ungratefulness. You know, when I started getting my first salary, 5400, that was the first salary before my marriage, 20 years back, 22 years back. So earlier I was very happy. So after some times, instead of getting inspired, I started getting expired. यार ये भी कोई सैलरी हुई 5,400, इट दिस इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड सैलरी, आता बाद में है, चला पहले जाता है. सो आई वॉज लाइक दैट, right? So 6 months, 7 months, I was getting same salary, same salary, same salary. Then after some time, I started getting 10,000 rupees. Okay. So what was happening earlier? I was very happy. But after some time, after 6 months, after 8 months, after like same. आता बाद में या चला बाद में चला चला जाता है पहले. Why it was happening? Whenever I was getting, I used to buy clothes, I used to buy saris, I used to buy beautiful purses, I used to buy beautiful sandals because I was working, I had to go to school. राइट. सो अगर आप टीचर हो, यू हैव टू हैव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आपको पर्स भी चाहिए, आपको सुंदर सूट्स भी चाहिए, आपको साड़ीज भी चाहिए, आपको पर्स भी चाहिए, आपको मेकअप भी चाहिए, आपको ज्वेलरी भी चाहिए. यू वांट एवरीथिंग. So I started to like spend money on all these things. And after some time I was like, यार पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था. After that what happened? The same money. When I got the first time, when I got the second time, when I got the third time, it was very nice. It was very nice. But after some time, what happened? Guys, 1 second. Yes. So what was happening? I was not being grateful. After some time, I was not being grateful. So after 15 years of my marriage, when I again started my journey as a coach, my salary was 20,000, then 25, then 35,000, then 45,000, then 50,000. After that, I started getting some incentive as well. But where it was going, I was being like ungrateful. So people have that habit of being ungrateful. So what you have to do is we have to start being grateful what we have. If we are grateful for what we have, we will be given more reasons to be grateful for. If we are grateful for the health we have, we will be given more beautiful health. If we are grateful for the relationships we have, we will have more beautiful relationships. So what we have to do, we have to start being grateful. Are you guys with me? Are you guys getting it? Right? So now the third point, the third principle. The third principle is focus on creation, not on expenses. Focus on creation, not on expenses. So how many of you feel not very good when you get your bills, school fees, and your groceries, when you have to pay the money, you always talk about expenses. I have to pay this, I have to pay for bill, I have to pay for school fees, I have to pay my house rent, I have to pay for this, I have to pay my grocery, this much I spent on this much I spent on this. So does it happen? Whenever we give money, so we don't feel very good. So money also says, when I come, aha, aha. When I go, Does it happen? It happens, isn't it? So we don't have to focus on expenses. So where we have to focus on creation. And forget about stuck money. There are people, they always think of like stuck money. What is that stuck money? Suppose we have to take some money from somebody and that person is not giving that money. That person is not giving. It could be like 5,000, it could be 15,000, it could be 50,000. मान लिया 50,000 भी है. Okay, वो नहीं दे रहा है. So where we are putting our energy? We are putting our energy again and again. That person is not giving. He is a cheater. He is like this. और सबको सुना रहे हैं. पूरी दुनिया में सबको सुना रहे हैं. रिलेटिव्स को सुना रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स को सुना रहे हैं, कलीग्स को सुना रहे हैं, इसको सुना रहे हैं, बच्चों को सुना रहे हैं, हस्बैंड को सुना रहे हैं. दैट पर्सन इज लाइक दिस, दैट पर्सन इज लाइक दिस, दैट पर्सन. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टक मनी. Instead of focusing on stuck money, start thinking of creation. If 50,000 rupees is stuck, so you have to you should have that kind of attitude. Yeah, so I'm going to make 5 lakh rupees, I'm going to make 50 lakh rupees. Forget about that 50,000 rupees if that person is not paying you. That is called stuck money. It is going to take a lot of energy, don't waste your energy on those types of people. That is called stuck money. Forget about that. Start creating money. So don't focus on expenses, start focusing on creation. And millionaire, billionaire, they also do the same thing. They don't focus on expenses. They always say, how can I multiply money? How can I create more? That should be your attitude. I'm gonna make this kind of money. Earlier I used to have that 30,000, 40,000 or 50,000. And now I am charging this amount of money from one client. I have 5 to 7 clients. I'm giving one-to-one sessions. And I'm charging 40,000, 50,000 rupees. For only 5 sessions and 2 review sessions I am giving. I'm taking only one-to-one sessions nowadays. Because I'm not thinking about stuck money. I'm thinking about creating money. How can I create more? How can I create more? How can I create more? Now, fifth one. The fifth one is, I think the fourth one, right? The fourth one. The fourth point is deservability versus desirability, or desirability versus deservability. How is your relationship with money? How is your relationship with money? Desirability versus deservability. For the same thing, somebody is charging 500 rupees. For the same thing, somebody is charging 5,000 rupees. And for the same thing, somebody is charging 50,000 rupees. Why does it happen? And how does it happen? What's the difference? Desirability versus deservability. For the same thing, 500 or 50,000. And there are people, those who are like big coaches, big coaches, very famous, very renowned coaches. They are charging 1 crore rupees for 1 hour. 1 crore rupees for 1 hour. You will be surprised to know. Can you guys imagine? For 1 hour, how can somebody pay 1 crore, but people are paying? For the same thing, somebody can charge 500, 5,000 or 50,000. You might have desire to earn 1 lakh rupees per month. But if you don't think like, how can I earn? How can I earn 1 lakh rupees? That means you don't deserve. You feel like I don't deserve to earn that kind of money. Like a local lipstick or Lakme ka lipstick. What's the difference? What's the difference? एक वो लोकल 100 रुपीज का आ रहा है और वो लेक्मे का वो 1000 रुपीज का आ रहा है. It might happen कि कुछ अंदर कुछ सेम हो मटेरियल. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज आई हैवंट परचेज्ड एनी लाइक दैट स्टफ. It might be same. We don't know. But वो brand, see brand. It could be same thing inside. So for the same thing. So that is called desirability versus deservability. If we desire, that is my desire. I want to make 5 lakh rupees per month. But that could be my desire. But if I don't deserve, कि यार ये हो कैसे सकता है? In back of my mind, I am always thinking negative. But यार हो तो नहीं सकता. If I am doubting myself. Do you remember 3 steps that I gave you in No Logic Only Magic wala? Ask, believe, receive. Ask, believe, receive. Ask, believe, receive. So you have placed the order. Yeah, I want to earn 5 lakh rupees per month. But if you don't believe that you can deserve, if you don't believe that you deserve that amount, how can you earn money? How can you make that 5 lakh rupees per month? आपको लगता है ये हो तो नहीं पाएगा. I'm not good enough. I can't earn this much amount. How can I ask that much amount? How is this possible? Who is going to give me that kind of amount? But if you feel like you don't deserve that kind of amount, how can I earn that amount? So that is called desirability. If your desire is something else, but you feel like you don't deserve. So how can you increase your deservability? So for that, you can practice some You can practice some affirmations like I deserve this money. I am worthy of it. I deserve 5 lakh rupees per month. I am worthy of this. And I can make this amount easily and effortlessly. If you are scared of asking that amount of money, कि यार मुझे तो बहुत डर लग रहा है, मैं इतना अमाउंट कैसे मांग सकती हूँ, that means your deservability is very low. Why people will not be giving that amount if you yourself are investing a lot of money on your growth? So how can you be scared of asking that amount? Very easy, very easy. So that is called deservability. So start increasing your deservability. Start practicing some affirmations. So be confident while asking. That don't think that who is going to pay me that amount. People will pay me. If you are paying, you are spending lakhs and lakhs of rupees on your growth, on your improvement, on your communication, on your spoken English, on your thing. So why people will not pay you? Right? So that is called now the next point. Because the number which is coming to your mind, the number, why I am saying that 5 lakh rupees per month, because I have that capacity to earn that amount. Why this universe, why God Ji is showing me that number again and again, because I have that capability to earn that kind of amount. Otherwise वो होता ही नहीं, otherwise वो आता ही नहीं आपके माइंड में. You must have written some goals. In previous 2 sessions, craft your 2026 or design your 2026 with these. You must have written some number. So why you have written that number? Why that number came to your mind? Because you have that capability to earn that amount. Right? Now, the 5th point is value. Value. What is value? Write down, value is directly proportional. Value is directly proportional to the, no, sorry, wait. Value, the 5th point is value. So money is directly proportional to the value you give to the world. Money is directly proportional to the value you give to the world. What does it mean? That means if you are charging a particular amount for something, but you are not giving the value, whatever profession you are, okay? If you are not giving the value to your customer and you are charging more, you are not going to make money. That's why there are many people, they are not making like more money. So they always ask like, why I'm not making more money? Why I'm not making more money? Why I'm not making? So this is the reason why the people are not making more money. Why are they not making money? Because they are not giving value. So money is directly proportional to the value that you give to the world. And the value you give to the world, the same value you will be getting in the form of people, in the form of relations, in the form of like situations, in the form of things. If in back of your mind, you are thinking, I'll be taking money, but I'll not be giving the value, you are not going to make money. And believe me, and there are people, they do like that. They take the money, but they don't think of giving the value. If in back of your mind, whatever profession you have, and if you are thinking like that, yeah, I'll be taking money, but I'll not be giving the value, you will not be making the money. Right? There are people, they say me, why are you giving the sessions for this group? What's that? Because I love it. This is the kind of a person I am. I am the massive value giver. And you should also say, yeah, I am the massive receiver. If Poonam ma'am is showing up for me, so who I am to say no to ma'am? If my coach is showing up for me, so who I am to say that I am busy? See, there are more than 60 people in the group. So how many people have joined? Only 4 people. You know what kind of a person I am? When I started my journey, earlier I was very sophisticated in the beginning. Okay. So I was like, in the beginning, I was like with my camera on always. And I was like, jaldi padhao, kya padhana? What is this nonsense? What is this dance? Why are you playing the music? Why are people dancing? I was very sophisticated, good bacha, very samajhdar. Chalo ab padhao, kya padhana hai? So I didn't realize that my books are only becoming intelligent because I was not implementing all those things. When I started implementing, then only I started getting result. Because knowing is not everything. People know everything. People know everything, but they don't implement. When you implement, then you start getting result. There is a coach. I was listening to one more podcast, and that person was saying, I'm the law of attraction coach. I was a law of attraction coach in the beginning, but I was not making money. I was helping others to make money, but I myself was not making money. Then my girlfriend said, like, uh, when he met his girlfriend for the first time, his girlfriend asked, what do you do? So he said, I'm the law of attraction coach. And she said, but why are you not making money? You are helping others to make money, but why you are not making money? Then उसकी दिमाग की बत्ती जली, तब वो bulb on हुआ, and he realized, यार, I'm helping others, but I'm not implementing the same thing, whatever I'm suggesting others to do. Whatever affirmations I am giving, whatever meditation practices I am giving, they people are getting result. They people are getting result. But why I am not making money? So when he started doing the same practices, whatever he was suggesting other, then money started flowing like anything. And that is the real story. So what I want to say is we have to start implementing, because knowing will not give you the result. Implementation will give you the result. Because spectators will not get the result. Players will get the result. It's the players who win or lose. Right? So the knowledge doesn't have its own power. Talent doesn't have its own power. Implementation has the power. Energy has the power. Action has the power. Now the sixth point. The sixth point is, don't focus on short-term profit. Don't focus on short-term profit. Focus on long-term gains. Don't focus on short-term profit. Focus on long-term gains. What does it mean? Does it happen with you sometimes? Sometimes it happens, we get some extra money from somewhere, some extra money in form of incentive or some extra money from somewhere. Kabhi whatever fixed amount you get in your salary, so sometimes we get some incentive now if we close some deal, if we do something good, so we get some extra amount, some bonus, some incentive kind of thing. Okay, so whenever I used to get that amount, so what I used to do is, yeah, so this month I'm gonna get this, accept that extra amount, whatever was my fixed salary. So whenever I used to get that extra amount, sometimes 5,000 or 7,000, like in form of incentive or bonus. So what I used to do, yeah, this is the extra amount. So I'll be like purchasing this month. I'll be purchasing this. So in this way, so मेरा जो वो list था ना, that was already ready. Yeah, so this month I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna purchase this, I'm gonna buy this. So I was that kind of a person कि मुझे ये लेना ये लेना ये लेना, मेरा लिस्ट पूरा से रेडी था. But this is not the way millionaires and billionaires think. So how do they think? They think of making more money whenever they get some extra amount. So how do they think? They think of making more money. They think of multiplying that money. They think of creating more. Whatever extra they get. So whenever you get some extra amount from somewhere, so you start thinking of multiply. How I can multiply this money? So that is also one of the things. So it should not be like क्या खरीदूं क्या खरीदूं क्या खरीदूं, कोई पैसा आया and you are like over the moon and वो पूरा खत्म. पता ही नहीं चला कैसे खत्म हो गया. So start investing. Like you can invest on like your education, because I always believe lifelong learner. I'm the lifelong learner, because when life doesn't stop you to give you the lessons, right? Life never ever stops you giving the lessons. So why we have stopped ourselves to learn? So be the lifelong learner. Invest on yourself. Guys, लेके जाना है क्या साथ में? When we will be reaching to that graveyard, right? So nothing we can take with our own self. सब कुछ यहीं पे रह के जाने वाला है. और समटाइम्स इसे ये बच्चों के लिए, इसके लिए, उसके लिए. You know, there is a कहावत in Sanskrit. I don't know whether you have heard it or not. पूत सपूत तो का धन संचय, पूत कपूत तो का धन संचय. हैव यू हर्ड दैट स्टेटमेंट? अगर आपका बच्चा अच्छा है तो वो खुद ही कमा लेगा. अगर वो बच्चा आपका बुरा निकलता है तो जो भी वो आपने कमाया वो वैसे ही खराब कर देने वाला है. इट्स बेटर यू इन्वेस्ट समथिंग ऑन योर सेल्फ एज वेल. सो बी हैप्पी वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू परचेज. डोंट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ कि क्यों अपना मन मारना यार, क्यों अपना मन मारना. जो भी whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to learn, so invest that money. Invest on you. Never ever be cheap. Never ever be become cheap on the path of your own growth. If you want to learn something, if you want to do something, so do that. अगर आपको डांसिंग करना अच्छा लगता है तो डू एनरोल योरसेल्फ इन डांस क्लासेस. अगर आपको कुछ पेंटिंग अच्छा लगता है तो पेंटिंग कर लो. सब कुछ बच्चों का भी मैंने अब अपने ना बेटे के ऊपर, ही इज इन पटियाला थापड़ यूनिवर्सिटी. आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ इवन अ सिंगल टाइम कि यार 40-50 लाख रुपए लगने वाला है. जब when the same amount we have to spend on our own self, so we think a lot, think how can we spend on ourselves? Can't we spend like थोड़ा सा amount on our happiness? Definitely we can. Definitely. So never ever be cheap to the path of your own growth. That is a sixth point. And the last thing. Now, the last point is, how are you taking care of your money? How are you taking care of your money? Whatever you have, whatever money you have, how do you take care of your money? How the money is lying in your cupboard? How the money is lying in your purse? How the money is lying in your wallet? क्या वो ऐसे ही इधर उधर रुल रहा है पैरों में, इधर उधर कपड़ों के पीछे, गत्तों के नीचे? क्या वो ऐसे ही रुल रहा है, और हैव यू केप्ट इट इन अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वे? सो आफ्टर टुडे सेशन, check all your almiras, all your cupboards, all your drawers, all your purses, all your wallets, wherever वो किचन के डब्बे, वो चावल का डिब्बा और चीनी का डब्बा, कहाँ जहां जहां भी आपने पैसा रखा है कुछ. I want you to manage your money, arrange your money in a proper way. How your notes are kept. What are the notes? Like जो सबसे बड़ा नोट है, लाइक 500 का, उसके ऊपर 100 का, देन उसके ऊपर लाइक 50 रुपीज का, उसके ऊपर 20 रुपीज का, उसके ऊपर 10 का. लाइक दैट यू हैव टू मैनेज, यू हैव टू अरेंज मनी, यू हैव टू कीप इट इन अ ब्यूटिफुल वे. So arrange your money like God. So we love money, but we don't honor money. That's why money doesn't stay with us. That's why वो आता बाद में, चला पहले जाता है. And whenever you pay money to your maid, to any shopkeeper, to any like grocery wala, to any Zomato, any Swiggy, any Zepto, any Blinkit, whenever you pay money, you know, nowadays what I am doing, whenever I pay money, so let's say I have paid 500 rupees for something, I put two zeros, like I do that visualization. So I'm putting that two zeros. If I'm giving 500 rupees to somebody, I visualize that it is coming to me back. It is multiplying, it is growing, and it is coming back to me. If I am giving 500 rupees, 50,000 rupees is coming to me. I put two zeros. I just visualize, go, grow, multiply, and come back. You go, you grow, you multiply, and you come back. अगर मैं 20 रुपीज का दे रही हूँ ना, तो I remind myself, Poonam, put two zeros. 2,000 will be coming to you. So मैं बहुत उसको प्यार से उसको भेजती हूँ, प्यार से उसको जाने देती हूँ, and I feel like, oh wow, मुझे 20 इसलिए दिख रहे हैं क्योंकि 2000 आने वाला है. इट्स अप टू यू, वट एवर गिव्स यू हैप्पीनेस. जो भी आपको खुशी देता है, स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग आउट द वेज व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी. सो इट्स योर रिलेशनशिप विद मनी, इट्स अप टू यू कि आप कैसे करने वाले हो मल्टीप्लाई मनी. राइट. ओके. So now the homework is you have to arrange your money, right? And now there are few questions at the end. So we are done with 7 principles. So I have given you 7 principles. So you go through once again, read out all the notes, whatever you have made. So start working on it. It's really, really beautiful. Change your relationship with money. Don't only love money, honor money, respect money, so that money will also respect you and it will come to you easily and effortlessly. Whenever you think of money, whenever you think of paying your bills or any payment you have to make, be happy. There should be a smile on your face. Money, you go. I know you will be coming back. You will be multiplying and you will be coming back. And believe me, it will happen. Okay, guys. So now I'm giving you few questions. So the first question is you have to write down one limiting belief, whatever you have. Okay, so you have to do this homework. You can do it later on as well at home. So write down one limiting belief that you have around money, whatever limiting belief. Like earlier, I used to say like money is hard to earn because I always saw my parents like they struggled a lot in their life. It was very difficult for them to earn money because this was their limiting belief, right? So they were seeing that evidence happening in their life. It was difficult for them because that was their limiting belief, and it became my limiting belief as well because I saw my parents struggling a lot, right? Now the next thing what you have to do is whatever limiting belief you have, and you have to look for the proof why this limiting belief you are living. Why is this in your life? You have to look for the proof. So from where it was coming, वो कहाँ से आया? Because for me, it came from my parents. Like money is hard to earn, money is hard to earn, money is hard to earn. Right? For many, many years, from my childhood, after 15 years of my marriage, for complete 35 years, I was like feeling like that. I was repeating that statement again and again, again and again. Money is hard to earn, money. So it was very hard to earn for me. Right? So from where it came. Now the third question is, how does it feel for you to live this belief? How does it feel for you to live this belief? आपको कैसा लगता है जब आप वो बिलीफ आप जीते हो? How does it feel for you to live that belief? कैसा लगता है आपको? The fourth question, is it worthy for you to live this belief? Is it worthy for you to live this belief? No, it's not. तो क्यों रखा है? Release it. I release. I release. I release. Now, the fifth and the last question, you have to reverse this belief and you have to create the new belief. Like money is very easy to earn and it loves me and it comes to me easily and effortlessly. Whatever limiting belief you have written at the top, the first question, and you have to reverse it. You can do it with multiple beliefs, but today I want you to do it with at least one. With at least one. Okay, guys, so we are done. I hope it helped you a lot. I hope it helped you a lot. So whatever belief you have, so try to work on that. Right? Let me stop the recording.